President Jokowi has inspected extensive flooding in Indramayu, West Java, which has inundated 6 sub-districts and cut the main northern Pantura highway. Super Puma helicopters carry the President and State Secretary Pratikno from the Halim Perdanakusuma Air Base in East Jakarta. The President was scheduled to check on relief efforts in the flooded sub-districts. The government has declared a 2-week emergency relief period for Indramayu. The President has ordered West Java provincial authorities and the Indramayu district administration to immediately repair parts of the Chimanuk River embankment, which were breached and caused the flooding. The order was issued during an impromptu meeting at the home of a minister with West Java Governor Ahmad Heriawan, Indramayu District Chief Ana Sofana, Public Works Minister Basuki Hidimulyono and Pratikno. President Jokowi also attended a rice harvest as a symbolic show of support to the farmers in the region.
Memang itu ada 9 titik yang jebol tanggulnya. Memang tanggul-tanggul, semua tanggul-tanggul memang perlu pemeliharaan. Kalau ada air yang besar, jangan ya seperti yang di Indramayu. Ada 9 titik, tapi hari ini alat berat sudah masuk untuk perbaikan hanya ada 1 titik yang karena sita beton sehingga perlu waktu. Tapi saya tadi sudah perintahkan agar selesai sebelum nanti musim hujan yang akan datang.